Okay, so on this video, we are going to be looking at the stream of Google Classroom. So we are on this landing page for Google Classroom, and here is where you will see all of the classes you are attached to. So we're going to go into the tutorial videos. And you can see you are shown this banner to show you exactly what classroom you are in, and it also shows you up here as well. You get three options at the top, three little tabs. One is stream, then classwork, and then people. So stream is what we're going to focus on for this video. So here you get what is upcoming. So any work that has been set that has a due date, it will come up here. So due today, we've got something there which we can click on, and due tomorrow. Some classes may have this box enabled, which will allow children to make a whole post themselves. And then they can post that to the stream, and that would be visible to everyone, to all children and to all staff. And here you can see a comment that has been placed just to show you. So you can add comments to posts that teachers have created to add your thoughts or questions. So you can add any thoughts and then post. And then all of the comments that are placed on the stream are visible to all the students and all staff. This is the quickest way to get in touch with any staff member during the day if you are taking part in remote learning. This is because this is the most common place teachers will be checking for any comments if you need any help or any assistance. Also on the stream, you can see any assignments that have been posted, any new material that has been posted, and anything else further down. So there's a few other assignments on there. And you've just got another class comment at the bottom. So any announcements for the class will be placed here and can be accessed through the stream tab at the top of the page, the tab we are on. So something I would like to show you on the stream is when it comes to comments. So say you had a problem with the Google Drawings or the handing in classwork or anything on here. The quickest way to get help for that is if you click on it, and then you can add a comment here saying I need help. Obviously, if you were putting a comment in, you would be a bit more specific with the help that you would say you needed, or any other comment you might want to add. Remember, any of these comments are visible to everyone, so all children and all staff. You also have the option to add a private comment when you click in here. So this is between the child and all staff. So anything you put in the private comments, no other child can see, but all of the adults that are attached to the classroom can see that comment. Still, the best way to get in touch with a teacher for any help or any other adult is putting it into the class comments, because we cannot see the private comment unless we are directly in that individual child's work. So unless we are marking it at that very time, we cannot see that comment. So the quickest way to get help is to put on a comment on the class stream. If you want to go back to the stream at any point, and we will look further into this setup in another video. If you want to go back to the stream at any point, if you just click on the classroom name up here, and then you are back on the stream. Okay, so we're just going to look at the stream through an iPad, just to see any differences that there are. So if you click on the Google Classroom app in the top,
And then it will take you again to the landing page with any classrooms you are assigned to. So if we click on the class we are attached to, and you see pretty much the same thing. It's laid out slightly differently, whereas you've got your stream, your classwork, and people at the bottom now. But you can still see all of the comments that are on the stream and any work that has been posted. Again, another difference is you don't have that section on the side that says when tasks are due. When you look into the work like we did a minute ago, if you look at the class at the assignment that we put a comment on, you can see any of the information for the work here, but if you want to put a comment on this bit down the bottom, this is where you'll add a private comment. So this will be where you add another private comment. And then it is that little arrow to open it and then close it. If you want to look at the class comments, click on where it says class comment here, and then you can add another class comment if you need to. And then to get back, just press the back button until you are back on the stream. It is all very similar. You have to click into things to find out the comments. So if it is just a post and you look at the comments, it will open it as another whole window rather than just showing the comments below. And the same if you click it. So that is the only real difference with the stream. So if you need anything on there, you can post comments and also private comments. And you also have the option up here to add any posts. If that is enabled. So if you want to post that, just then press post. And then that will pop up at the top of the stream for everybody to see. So that is the stream.